Good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about present perfect. We already read and used English. English. Um, we use the present perfect with so already and yet to talk about recent events and actions. We would use in positive sentence to talk about very recent events or actions. He who won the match, they made a big announcement. We can use the present perfect positive with sol or yeah, subject, have, has, used, past participant. We usually use short forms have you, has, etc. when speaking and informal greeting. We can use the present perfect negative with stage, subject, haven't, has, um, past participle stage. Negative auxiliaries, subject, past participle yet. We come from question in the present perfect with stage have, has, subject, past participle stage if you don't ask. Auxiliary subject, past participle yet, have, you already seen this move, you have made a decision. You use with the present perfect means a short time before have used since Susan coming out of the cinema Mike's you call it can you read I'm back please. Have you used take my pen? Use convit when auxiliary verb have has and the participle yet. Still, used with the present perfect means that sometimes has happened. We used in the emphasis that we expected the thing to happen early this. In this context is only using negative sentence have been waiting for a hope and the bus this has come. The promise me that report yesterday would say still haven't finished it. Already who's with the present perfect man before now we use the past then sometimes happen before sometime else or earlier than expected. I've already spent my salary and it 2 weekend before per time. Um, he want to say Sunday but I've already seen it. The trains left already can come between the auxiliary and the main verb are at the end of the class. Don't this ejercicio to test your grammar again. Thank you. Esta es mi presentación del día de hoy. Muchas gracias.